Tashidalek. Yet another end of the year, the Australia-Tibet Council has done a tremendous job advocating and campaigning for the Tibet cause. So we have done roughly 50 campaigns and activities this year, out of which the three main important for me was, the Australian Parliamentary delegation visit to Dharamsala, where they have learned a lot about Tibetan culture and where they're committed to do something for the Tibet here in Australia. And the second highlight for me was the Chinese Premier Li Kang visited Australia, where Australia-Tibet Council has mobilized all the community and who suffered under the communist regime and protest against the Li Kang visit to Australia, and that was fantastic. And then the last thing was Tibet Lobby Day, which was of course it's been 12 years, and this year was much better than all the previous years, and where more MPs and senators from all the bipartisan has committed to do something for Tibet. And next year we are looking for more promising and potential campaigns. Thank you so much for your support.
It's been another big year for Tibet, 2024. This year we had many achievements. Bob Sang has spoken about a few of them, but at the United Nations level, Australia raised Tibet China's human rights UPR, and historically, something that hasn't been done since the 1960s, Australia joined with 14 other nations to raise Tibet at the UN General Assembly. So they raised issues such as forced labour in Tibet, colonial boarding schools, and lack of religious freedom. And I would like to, on behalf of the board, say thank you to all the members, because without members and supporters, we couldn't achieve goals like this in our campaigns. And I'd also like to announce, after a number of years working with Lob Sang as co-chair of the Australia Tibet Council, I'm standing down and I'm handing over the reins to our new co-chair, Janet Price.
Thank you, Katie, and it's a huge privilege. The work that Katie and Lob Sang have done leading the Australian Tibet Council over the recent years has just been phenomenal. So thank you, ADC, for trusting me to be co-chair. I'm really looking forward to being co-chair with Lob Sang and with working with the whole board and working with the huge movement of supporters to be working for a free Tibet, and looking forward to really building and continuing to build that movement so that we can be campaigning so hard and achieving justice for the people of Tibet and for Tibet as a whole.